Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to change font size different ways in Microsoft Word. So let's started. At first open your Word document file. Firstly then issue the Word document is the text, space is text from the change font size. Now select from the any text option. Now going to the home menu option. Now click for the increase font size. Now for click and click for the decrease font size. Then again another ways. Now select from the any text. Now going to the home menu option. Now click for the font size option. Then choose number is size. That's it. Now for click. Then again another process. Now select from the any text. Now keyboard press from the control second bracket. That's it. Then show the since font size different ways in Microsoft Word is very easy. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.